There you go. Good job. Yeah. Where does that part go?
Oh, right down.
Up to his...
Oopie.
Yeah. Good job. Yeah, right up to his belly. That's right. And then what happens? What do you do?
I don't know.
You know. Yeah. Looking for the little tabs.
This one speaks up.
Yeah. That one needs to just get stuck to the fabric or something. There we go. Make sure it's... There we go. Up to his belly. Good job. Right to Elmo. And find the other one. Good job, buddy. High five. Then what happens? Do you feed the baby and then he poops again?
Yeah.
There's,
I'll hold it.
hold him like a nice... That's right. Good job. Go, 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 go. Burp. Oh, burp.
Say, Oliver crushed it!
Crushed it. Oh, does he have a smelly diaper?
Yeah.
Oh, how do you change